AGV dispatch, titanium to CNC zone, carbon to composites, avionics to ESD staging. CNC zone, titanium arrival imminent, prep machining. Brake release.
Welcome to our advanced manufacturing facility. Here, precision engineering brings the F-35 to life, from the nose cone to the entire aircraft. Let's step inside to see the assembly process. Welcome to the F-35 Lightning II production facility. Here, cutting-edge robotics, AI diagnostics, and precision engineering combine to create the world's most advanced stealth fighter. Unloading titanium sheets, scanning for F-35 assembly. Conveyor active, next the carbon fiber panels.
Confirmed, stack is clear.
Initiating billet load sequence. Parameters verified, toolpath confirmed. Machining program engaged, monitoring. Temperature reaching 177, pressure at 690. Cure cycle is in the hold phase. Checking fuselage blend. UV shows a thin spot.
Confirmed. Flagging it.
Log it for correction. Next, wing leading edge.
Moving to position.
Touch-up complete on this panel. Blending finished, requesting UV check. UV confirms, spec met, all eggs are ready for acceptance. Landing gear bolts torqued to spec, assembly secure. First line locked, torquing now. Confirmed, next line ready. Second line tight, marking it. Final line connecting, torque applied. ICP module seated, running diagnostics. Optical link connected, data flow confirmed. All systems green, ready for stealth integration. Fan inspection complete, no anomalies. Copy, turbine temps are nominal. Dolly is go for alignment. Initiating hydraulic move. Alignment confirmed, ready for mount. Securing the mounting interface now. Connecting coolant lines and data harness. Torque is at spec. Data connector seated, installation complete. ALIS connector engaged, initiating bus comms. Multiple system checks complete, all green. Radar, flight controls, weapons confirmed operational. Aircraft movement to test cell. Exhaust duct connection. Engine test cell ventilation activation. Pre-run monitoring system initialization. Temperature reaching 177, pressure at 690. Cure cycle is in the hold phase. Crane control, forward fuselage and transit to engine bay. All systems green. Approaching engine section, reducing speed now. Lowering canopy, watch the lasers. Alignment is good, holding steady. Alignment confirmed, seal is set. Actuator motor aligned, torque to spec. Copy, rails locking, testing door sequence. Mechanism checks, log it. Confirmed, moving to station 2. Radio check, hangar control, commencing F-35 pre-flight exterior inspection. Nose and sensor checks complete. Landing gear and intakes are go.